How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you on how you can add the support blockers in Creality Slicer. So to do this, we are going to use a function called the support painting. The first thing that you want to do is to click on your model. And from here, you then want to select this specific option, which is going to be the support category. From here, just enable the support option and then select something like the normal, manual, or the tree manual. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the normal manual. From here, you then want to navigate through the functions category, and then you want to select this specific option, which is going to be the support painting. You can also press L as a shortcut. Basically, we have two functions, which is going to be the support painter and the support blockers. Now, to apply the support blocker, what you want to do is to simply right-click on your model. So let's say that we don't want to apply a support onto our head level right here, or the main head of our model. So you just want to right-click on the part that you don't want supports on. You can also edit out your pen size if you want to maybe have a bigger model and such. And basically from there, I'm going to add something like a support onto my tail section and onto the horn area of this specific little dragon. Now to apply the changes, you can just click on the slice plate option, and basically you will be able to see the supports that we have applied, including the ones that we have blocked, which in our case, it's going to be this area. And as you can see, there's no support on this specific area that we have applied the blockers on. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.